It's another unboxing from the TikTok shop, you guys. Let's see what I've got. I have idea of some items and some I do not have idea of what I have. That's me stretch. Anyways, so this is the first package. I already knew this is kind of clothing because I felt it. Yes, is this okay, 1 minute. So you guys see, I'm showing you guys my arm, right? Because I was working all day before I decided to film this package, and I was using water and all of that, and my hands tend to dry up a lot. I've said a couple of times on here, I have dry skin. But then I apply this Balea body lotion, but I use it as a hand cream just because of how it smells. It smells really nice. So I just apply that, and you can tell how my hands are moisturized and looking hydrated. So this is what the first item looks like. I don't know, whenever I'm doing voiceover, there is always one notification or the other that is coming into my phone and making one sound. So annoying. But yeah, so this is what the two-piece bikini set looks like. You guys, since I added weight, I am very cautious. Okay, thank God I pronounced that word right. Cautious. Because I'm always saying conscious. Conscious is not conscious, it's caution. So okay, I said it. Another notification. So I'm always cautious about the kind of bikinis I wear, how much body skin I leave out. I mean, yeah. So this bikini was a stretch, but I can't wait to try that out for you guys. And the next item was a sport wear, or like an active wear. It's just basic, and I like how it fits. You guys are going to see the try on haul in another video. So this is the third item, which is this smoothie mixer. I believe some of you guys must have seen these already. I mean, the video I have posted, the videos, the review, or told you guys what my thoughts about this item is. Oh Jesus, Cordelia, can you just make something simple? Okay, so that's what I'm trying to explain. So this is what it comes with: a USB cord to charge the the machine, of course. And this is what it looks like. Really, really cute. I see me taking this to work every day, to blend my smoothie when I'm on my break, when I need to take my breakfast, and all of that good stuff. So this is another one. At this point, I didn't know what I have in this pack. I didn't know. I was like, what is this? It's huge. What is this? And then I unboxed it. I opened it, and then oh my God, I was blown away. You guys will see my reaction, though I had to trim a lot of this video off, but oh my God, I was blown away. I was excited for this item. I love it. I have wanted to have it for a very, very, very long time. So just before I round up this voiceover, if you're interested in any of these items I just showed you guys, the videos, their specific videos will be up, or rather their individual videos will be up on my TikTok page. So go check them out, and the link to the items will be linked on the screen. Okay, that shopping cart. So just click on it and it will take you directly to the item. You guys know the drill. You buy from me, I get some commission, yeah, and I'm happy, and I'm saying thank you behind the doors to you guys, and praying for you guys, of course. So this is it, you guys. These are the items. I really, really love them. And what do you guys think? Let me know your thought in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Until next time, stay beautiful and be blessed. Bye bye. Mwah.